Hello everyone, welcome back to the Brand Investigation YouTube channel. Today we are going to review the product Electric Pressure Cooker. Gone are those days of monitoring stove flames and worrying about excessive steam. The Electric Pressure Cooker simplifies cooking and offers numerous advantages over its traditional counterparts. With programmable settings and a user-friendly interface, its set and forget nature allows you to prepare delicious meals effortlessly. Now let's talk about how to select the right electric pressure cooker for your home. What are the main things to consider when purchasing, how to buy the best brand and where to buy from. We have gathered online customer reviews and ratings to help you make an informed buying decision. Let's explore the top 10 best-selling electric pressure cooker brands in US and UK. From this list, we will shortlist the top 4 brands to make the best buying decision. So the brands which are visible on the screen are strictly need to be avoided while making a purchases. Let's find the reason behind it why we need to avoid them while making a purchase. So these are the brands that have received negative ratings and negative customer reviews. Let's find the reason behind it. For example, Buffalo brand has been reported to have the poor quality. In the Cuckoo brand, the customers are not satisfied. New Wave brand is also having the poor quality. In the Wand Joint brand, they have the quality issues. Discussing on the Winco brand, the customers are not satisfied. Discussing on the End Supermel brand, they have the issues with the button. So these are the brands that strictly need to be avoided while making a purchases. Now let's take a look at the top 4 electric pressure cooker brands. First is Instant Pot, second is Comfee, third is Ninja, and the fourth is Aroma. Let's discuss on the storage capacity. Instant Pot has the 5.6 liters, Comfee has 5.6 liters, Ninja has 7.5 liters and Aroma has 3.7 liters. Discussing on the control method, Instant Pot, Comfee, Ninja, Aroma all has the touch method available in it. Talking on the operation mode, Instant Pot, Comfee, Ninja, Aroma all have the automatic mode available in it. Discussing on the preset function, Instant Pot has 10, Comfee has 12, Ninja has 12 and the Aroma has 7. Discussing on the colors, Instant Pot has the colors available in black, Comfee is also in black, Ninja is silver and the Aroma is also available in black. Talking on the special features, Instant Pot is excellent, Comfee is good, Ninja is also good and Aroma is excellent. Discussing on the most important part, that is warranty, Instant Pot, Comfee, Ninja and Aroma all the brands have 1 year of warranty available in it. Let's talk about the common things included in these brands. They have the stainless steel material, they are the programmable intelligent cooking, they have also best online selling brands, they also have the LED display, they have the timer and the non-stick and they are suitable for 4 to 6 members. Let's talk about the most important part, that is the customer rating of these products. Instant Pot has the customer rating of 4.5 stars, Comfee has the customer rating of 4 stars, Ninja has the customer rating of 4.5 stars and Aroma has the customer rating of 4 stars. To know more in detail about these branded products and their exact price ranging, we have given you a link in the description. Don't forget to check out those links in the description box. If you love this video, don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.